Welcome to our showdown between two of Corsair's top power supplies, the RM1000X and the RM850e. Both units promise exceptional performance and efficiency, but they cater to different needs. In this video, we will explore their features, compare their modularity, efficiency ratings, and overall value for gamers and PC builders alike. Let's get started. Both the RM1000X and RM850e feature fully modular designs, allowing users to connect only the cables they need for their builds. This not only reduces clutter, but also enhances airflow within the case. The RM1000X supports a wider range of components due to its higher wattage, making it ideal for high-performance setups, while the RM850e offers similar modularity with a slightly lower power output. In terms of efficiency, the RM1000X boasts an 80+ Gold certification, ensuring up to 90% efficiency at typical loads. On the other hand, the RM850e is rated with Cybernetics Gold efficiency, which also guarantees high performance and lower energy consumption. Both power supplies are designed to minimize waste and maximize performance, making them excellent choices for energy-conscious users. Cooling is another critical aspect of power supply performance. The RM1000X features a low-noise fan that operates quietly under load, while the RM850e includes a 0 RPM mode, allowing the fan to remain off during low power usage, further reducing noise. Both designs prioritize silent operation, making them suitable for quiet builds. In conclusion, both the CORSAIR RM1000X and RM850e are excellent power supplies with their own strengths. The RM1000X offers higher wattage and is ideal for demanding systems, while the RM850e provides great efficiency and features for mid-range builds. We hope this comparison has helped you decide which power supply is right for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.